Hey guys, how's it going? Now today I'm about to show you how to create your own personal journal. So when you go on Lulu, which I showed you before in some of my other videos, you can create your own journals. It can be a calendar or it can just be notes like this one. This one is just notes. I might show later on how to create the calendar one, but these are actually cheap. They're literally like $5 to create. It costs more to ship it. So $5 to create and like $6 to ship it. But you can have a hardback of this for only like $15. I just want to see how it looked first. But you can see it's my journal, my life. So it's just a way to help stay encouraged throughout the day. So my title is My Life in a Journal by Daniel Hill. As you can see, add pictures in the background. They look darker here, but they're really not. They're really, really light. It's just I'm in a dark room. But it's encouraging pictures from the past of people who raised me. That's my grandmama and my father, both who have gone on to be with the Lord. My mother still here, and my other family right there. As you see, we acting crazy, and this one's bad. So, and these are just encouraging things to help you get through the day. And this is my boo boo, aka Big Sis. So, who's always been there for me. So, this video that you about to watch next is going to show you how to create your own personal journal that you can either sell or you can make for yourself. And like I said, there's other ways that can show you how to make it a calendar instead. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, how's it going again? It's me again, MR.RD. And today I'm going to give you a bonus video about how to create your own personal journal where you can either sell or just use it as your own for like a family thing that's different. So, I don't like wasting your time, so let's begin. Remember, if you want to support me, you can buy my book. Some people have been asking me to put up like a PayPal or something for people to donate, which I might do, but I really just trying to help people. And the only way, and I like being helped by, by my books and tell me if you like them or not. But I might later on. But let's not waste time. So let me start with my prayer, which is simply just Jesus. And that's just to make sure I don't say anything dumb. So say you go to your email and you can use it on your phone if you have Google Drive or Google Slides on your phone. You click on the three dots, nine dots. I don't know where I'm looking at there. Go down to where it says slides. You click slides. You click blank document. I already started one, but I want to show you from scratch. You click all these little things. You press delete, of course. Get rid of that. Then say you go to file. You scroll down to where it says page setup. And you do custom. Just depending on the size of your journal. If you want a big journal, smaller journal, you just look at what type of journal you like. So I'm doing 6x9 and I apply. So now it's in journal format. So then you say you want to insert rows, right? Because a journal has rows. Let me find table, but it's actually a table. So, and one person, and I'll show you two people I followed who showed me how to do it. Because you always got to show respect for the people who helped you. So one row at 18. And as you can see, there it goes right there. Now you have to come here and you have to format it and do the position or the size. And you know that the size of it is going to be like 5 because it's going to be ½ inch on each side off by 8 because you want a ½ inch side off. Then you just grab it right this. And Google's going to help you set up correctly and it's sentence. Now, the only problem is here, you got to make sure first the lines are black. So you highlight it. You go over to, there you go, border color. And you put black. So now all your lines are black. But then you don't want the outline. So you highlight it again. And she didn't show it, but I'll show you. This girl who helped me. You click that, right? And the easiest way, instead of going through each one, you click and you press transparent. Now you have your journal. So, and you can add different stuff like my personal journal and all this. And of course you do duplicate slide. And the easiest way to do this, save time, just copy, come down here, and paste. You can do that over and over again. And it'll save time and say you keep pressing
over and over again, duplicate slide. So now you want to add an image. So there's two ways. Well, I'm gonna say one way to add an image. So you can upload a picture, personal picture, or you can search the web. So we'll type in flowers transparent background, because that makes it easy for you to upload something. So say I wanted flowers trap, and I want this one. I go over here. I make it smaller to fit, of course. And I put it there. Now you have one of your journals, right? So say I want another copy of this, but I want the other side. So we copy and we paste, right? But then you like, I don't want them looking like that. No problem, Bob Barker. You gotta go to format and flip it. Now look, now you got the same thing on each side. Now say I'm like, yeah, but I want something down here at the bottom. I got you. Remember, I am the Black Bob Barker, which means I always have the winning number. So now, let's say we want, I'm just doing one that people asked me to do. Well, I did one for a person, so now I'm using flowers. Usually I don't even like pink, but I'm using pink today because the woman was using flowers. And say I want this right here, right? And I want this at the bottom. We don't like that one. Let's find another one. Let's say garden. No, still don't like. Let's say flower, garden, transparent. This one's nice one right? Oh, where'd my picture go? Sorry, guys. My picture just vanished. Oh, well, I'll bring them back. Don't worry. So, let me go up here and do it on this one. Sorry about that. It just faded away. So, you stretch it out, of course. Making sure it lines up. You line up here. And now you have your size. And you can make it smaller, whatever you like. And now you see. Let me go back and put the picture. I don't know what happened to that picture. I must have just deleted it. Pink flower. Transparent. I really don't know what happened to that flower. And I'm not going to waste time trying to search for that flower. So I'm just going to do this one. And I'll make it smaller. Because it just literally fade away. I must do something down. Which is halfway impossible. It must be the software. Summer J's. No, just playing. So, and of course, you know, we click format options and we flip it. So now you have it centered. Let's bring this one up some. Or bring this one down. Yeah, we'll bring this one down. And bring this one in. So now you have the picture. Now if you just want to, now if you want to copy this one first, right? Instead of having to worry about doing it on every one, you just what? Paste. Or press duplicate, right? Then you come back. Copy these two slides. And now we paste. You got your own journal. And all you have to do now is file and download as PDF. And when you download as PDF, it'll take a second, then it'll pop up. As you can see, it looks like a regular journal. So this is how your journal will look. And then you just go over here to Lulu, create an account, it's free. Press create. My bad. Print books. Start book. Pick, if of course it's gonna be print. Print whatever you say, blue. Doesn't matter. Then that's when you design. Sorry. You design it. You upload, and then once you upload your book and the book cover, you pick if you want it premium color, if you want what type of whites you want for paper, if you want it hardback, if you want it cord, whatever you like, that's the type you can get. Now let's go back. Oh, let me show you two people. This person helped me out, so follow her. She's great. She just didn't show the flower part. And this part, this dude showed me transparency. So now we're gonna show you transparency, right? So let's do the transparency. I'll go down here and say you want a picture of your family, right? And you want your family in the whole background so it shows. Don't worry, I got you. So I'll say family, right? Doesn't matter if it's transparent, whatever. Doesn't care. So I'm gonna use the Brady Bunch right here. So we'll say the Brady. What is Brady Bunch right here? There's a lot of people in that picture. And we'll slide over, right? So now I line it up and I stretch it out. You say, but it looks distorted. Don't worry. Of course, you can fix it correct so it won't look distorted. But just to save time, I'm just doing like this. Now, we go over here to format, right? Sorry about that. Format options. Make this smaller. It's called adjust. We go transparent. Now you see how your family, and I say put it to 70. On every page, you can have it where it's some special memory about your family. So, in the way you do this, now it's still in front, but to make sure it comes out correct, you go order, right, and send to back. And now the lines are there actually. You can make this lighter or whatever, but you can literally have your own personal type of journal where every page symbolizes something special in your life. And that's how you do it. Sorry this video was so long, but I want to make sure you knew everything. So once again, this is how you create your own personal journal, and then you upload it on Lulu. And it's crazy. It's only like $5 to create it cool if you have like 70 pages of pictures, what I did. Or it'd be cheaper if it's not color. But I did color because I wanted my pictures. I did one like this. But remember, regardless of anything, if you buy my books or don't buy my books, I pray you have a blessed day. In Jesus' name, amen.